of haunted toms in the daytime. Ooh, look at that guy buried. He succumbed to the wrath of haunted toms.
Did you get the spider web? Can I touch this guy? It feels hard. Okay, now we gotta go this way.
Oh.
What's that called?
Scary skeleton.
Is the rat skeleton gonna turn on? He's got a spider web. See? Spider.
Yes.
Are you supposed to follow the path?
We are following the path. Ooh, scary.
Mommy, what is this? What is this? Is this a skeleton?
It says it's a ghoul.
How come it won't turn on? You see, watch. Can I touch it when it goes in?
Mm-hmm.
Watch. You can, right? Here it comes. Scary.
Okay, Nick, let's go down here. Show me the way to the horse.
I'm gonna watch him go back in real quick. It's kind of cool, isn't it? Is it gonna open back up?
Okay, go.
There it goes. So,
Oh, it's the scary graveyard.
how come this one turn on? Huh?
It's because Uncle Tom has to turn it on.
What is this for Halloween, right?
It is for
Was this
Halloween.
up last year? Was that treasure chest up last year?
Nope. So Nick, what is your favorite thing at Uncle Tom's scary haunted house?
My favorite thing here?
Mhm.
Come here.
You're gonna show me? Okay, let's go.
This right here. That's right here.
This right here?